What's up? Do you need a ride? Yeah, would be nice. And what are you carrying? Bits to the rig site. Fancy that. I'm carrying bits every day. So much per one well. UFA 1999, a team of like-minded people under the direction of Giniat Ishbaev, Doctor of Technical Sciences, is united in the scientific and production enterprise BURINTEKH. Young scientists and engineers started creating and producing a cutting, shearing, drilling bit, which was not produced in Russia at that time, and they set themselves an incredibly ambitious goal to bring its performance to the level of the best world standards. At that time, no one had yet imagined that in a few years they would learn about BURINTEKH all over the world. The only workshop at that time was located in the city center in the abandoned production facilities of Motion Picture Studio Bashkortostan. Bits were produced in small batches and sent to field trials. Based on the obtained data, a new generation tool was created here, which allowed for obtaining high results. Competitive steerable PDC bits have appeared. The transition to its widespread use at many drilling enterprises in Russia marked the beginning of technical re-equipment in the country. And for many years, BURINTEKH is the leader in the development and production of fundamentally new designs and types of tools, rendering a full range of oil field services. The idea of creating a company was not immediate. We have been moving forward towards this for many years while we were students of the Ufa Petroleum University, then our doctorate, and worked at the Department of Oil and Gas Drilling under the guidance of such great scientists as Spivak, Mavlyutov, Popov, Alexeyev. We dealt with destruction of rocks. The idea was for creating a bit that can drill a well or well section per one run. It was a driller's dream, and we, a group of young scientists, were also excited with this idea. And in 1999, we established the company exactly for pursuing this dream. Since the foundation of the company, we felt good support from the Republic of Bashkortostan government in the person of the first president of our republic, Murtaza Rahimov, and of course, head of our university, Alexander Spivak, then Ayrat Shamazov, also Bakhtizin, our scientific supervisors, Midhat Mavlyutov, Alexeyev, and of course there was great support from the production side. We are very grateful to Bashneft in the person of, at that time, General Director Ampir Sirtlanov, to Surgutneftgaz in person of General Director Vladimir Bogdanov. Thanks to them, we very quickly introduced our developments into production. BURINTEKH, having initially substantial scientific potential and virtually no production potential, has been developed by means of innovations. This approach allowed the company not only to confidently strengthen its position in the market, actually doubling the volume of production annually, but also changed the attitude of Russian drilling companies to the drilling process as a whole. The Drilling Tool Development Center is a unique division of BURINTEKH, where innovations are born. Solid research work allows creating new high-tech products and improving previously manufactured products. Employees of the center were able to find many unique solutions that today have no analogs in world practice. The Development Center is the division that develops new technology, provides basically its entire life cycle, and ensures the competitiveness of products. Within 20 years, we rose from scratch. In practice, with diamond bits, we now probably cover 95% of the market. This tool is very unique for a specific region, and even for a specific customer in their region will have its own tool. Any development is created for the specific tasks of a particular customer, emphasized at the enterprise. This allows oil and gas companies to increase their technical and economic indicators in the shortest possible time, performing complex tasks while drilling wells for various purposes. Investments in science and close cooperation with customers, one of the main conditions for the development of the enterprise, are confident in BURINTEKH. BURINTEKH is Russia's largest manufacturing enterprise, furnished with state-of-the-art equipment, the latest metalworking equipment, high-precision CNC machines, multi-axis machining centers. Many of them are unique products themselves, often unparalleled anywhere in the world. Today, BURINTEKH manufactures hundreds of products in demand. PDC steel and matrix bits, roller cone bits, core bits, core barrels, reamers, special bits, milling tools for workover, casing exit systems, jars, BHA elements, casing mounting, chemicals to increase the rate of penetration, and cement slurries. Every year we produce tens of thousands of production units that are in demand, not only in our country, but also abroad. A production unit can be considered not only one part, but also an assembly unit which includes up to 250 parts. Most importantly, it's a pleasure to work with the latest modern equipment, cutting tools. And accordingly, every year the technology improves. Something new appears. New processing methods. Like the robot. We will introduce it. Very interesting, why not? For BURINTEKH, quality is a priority. Strict control is carried out at every stage of production, from raw materials to finished products. For this, a special service has been created at the enterprise. It consists of technical control section, diagnostic laboratory, non-destructive and destructive testing, QCD station for the incoming control of purchased materials, and semi-finished products.
Всегда большое внимание уделялось качеству выпускаемой продукции.
A lot of attention was always paid to the quality of products. Since 2003, the company has an integrated quality management system which is confirmed by international standards ISO 9001 and API 7. We have stages of product quality from the very beginning. That is when designing, when the designer designs, then controls, then incoming control of materials, semi-finished products. Everything that is included in the product is subject to control. During production, we have quality control at each stage according to the technological process of production. That is, either an employee controls it himself, or at some control points, which of course are established by a process engineering service, and at this stage the technical control department is involved. In such a way, we get world-class products. That is, in this way we have the opportunity to enter global markets, which is confirmed. Thus, the distinguishing feature of our company has always been that we deliver what the customer wants and on time. Health, safety, and environment are no empty boast in BURINTEKH. All employees of the enterprise strictly comply with these requirements and are personally responsible for the performance of their duties. The principle of energy saving, rational, natural resources utilization, safe waste storage, practically reduce environmental damage to zero. Introduction of the best existing technologies in the field of labor protection and regular on-site production control has reduced the possible risks of industrial accidents and occupational diseases. BURINTEKH is currently one of the largest and highly professional oil field service companies in the country. Our service includes all the main types of services, from bit service, coring, and MWD support, to casing exits and service of drilling and process fluids. Integrated engineering and technological support allows customer to quickly, efficiently, with minimal costs and risks, drill wells of any complexity. A powerful research base, own laboratories, unique patented technologies and formulations, high-quality products that meet all international standards and faultless provision of services have earned the trust of consumers around the world. Today, BURINTEKH cooperates with leading Russian and foreign oil and gas companies. Tools for drilling and workover are successfully supplied to CIS countries, Middle East, South and North America, Europe, and North Africa. The success of the company is confirmed by numerous diplomas and awards in the field of quality, service, and highly effective management. And yet the main achievement of the enterprise is its professional, united team. The BURINTEKH team is a team of active, motivated, and successful people constantly developing and open to everything new. Today, the company employs more than 2,000 people. The team is young, and the average age of employees is 36 years. Here, they not only know how to work, but also actively relax. We have several programs. As regards health, we have a program of voluntary health insurance for each employee. We provide free hot meals in Ufa, Neftelugansk for our employees, arrange rotational transportation for employees, transportation to work and from work, not only in Ufa, but even in Blagoveshchensk. Today we have rotational transport, 28 routes. This is a lot, but we create convenience for our employees. Our enterprise was created from scratch, but nevertheless, over these 20 years, our company is now undoubtedly positioned as a leader in the field of oil services, production of tools for drilling and workover, not only in Russia, but also abroad. We are perceived as a leading engineering oilfield service company. One of the great achievements of our company, in my opinion, is that thanks to our developments, we have to some extent radically changed the drilling technologies in the Russian Federation and rates of penetration. In other words, practically the majority in Russia has switched to cutting, shearing, drilling bits, a cutting type. It may be said that a driller's dream to drill one well with one bit has come true. There is another latest achievement, the creation of rotary steerable systems that will allow drilling very complex horizontal wells. BURINTEKH gained traction thanks to innovations, well-coordinated teamwork, a clear quality management system, and instant response to customer requirements. The dream of the company founders has come true. Leading bits and world-class tools were developed and implemented, and here they are rightfully proud of their products. The company managed to achieve maximum efficiency at each stage of production and become the industry leader. BURINTEKH feels confident about the future. What's up? Do you need a ride? Yeah, it would be nice. Oh, it's you! Haven't seen you for ages. Wish you Godspeed. What are you carrying now? Still bits to the rig site? Yeah. Why so little? Less drilling? Drilling increased. But formerly about 10 to 15 bits were used to drill one well.
And now several wells are drilled with one bit. Whoa! And how did they do it? These are new bits. BURINTEKH introduced it, and after that, drilling technologies changed greatly.
In 1999, production casing drilling required about 10 bits. In 2019, thanks to BURINTEKH Ltd, developments up to 4 production sections are drilled with 1 bit.